M&T Secured Credit Card features, strengths, weaknesses. The M&T Secured Credit Card is designed for individuals with limited or no credit history, or those looking to rebuild their credit score. Its primary feature is its secured nature, requiring a minimum security deposit of $500, up to a maximum determined by M&T, which acts as your credit limit. This deposit is held in a secured account and returned to you when the account is closed in good standing, or potentially sooner if you're upgraded to an unsecured card. One key strength is its potential for transitioning to an unsecured M&T credit card after demonstrating responsible credit usage. M&T periodically reviews secured card accounts, and eligible cardholders may receive an offer to upgrade, allowing them to regain their initial deposit and transition to a traditional credit line. The card reports to all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, which is crucial for building or rebuilding credit. On the downside, the card doesn't offer any rewards programs, cash back, or travel points, making it less attractive for those seeking spending incentives. Another weakness is its APR, which tends to be higher than many unsecured cards, reflective of the increased risk associated with borrowers with limited or damaged credit. Late payments or exceeding your credit limit can severely impact your credit score and incur additional fees. There is no annual fee, which is a definite plus, but the absence of rewards makes it solely a credit-building tool. Who is this card for? Primarily, it's for individuals who have been denied unsecured credit cards or those who are starting their credit journey from scratch. It's also beneficial for those who have had credit problems in the past and are looking to reestablish a positive credit history. However, if you already have a decent credit score, you should consider unsecured cards that offer rewards and potentially lower interest rates. Before applying, compare M&T's terms and conditions with those of other secured cards and consider factors like the required minimum deposit, potential for upgrading to an unsecured card, and the APR. For those strictly focused on credit building and comfortable with a higher APR and no rewards, the M&T Secured Credit Card is a viable option, particularly if you're already an M&T Bank customer. Ultimately, its value lies in its ability to help you establish a positive credit history, paving the way for better financial opportunities in the future. Just remember, responsible card usage is paramount.